Today we're making watermelon syrup. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today's a fun one, and so easy. This is watermelon juice. I got this watermelon juice because I made watermelon fruit leather. If you want to click that eye in the sky, it'll take you to that day, or you can just use watermelon juice, whatever you want. I'm going to take about 8 cups of watermelon juice. I would have done this all in one batch, but yeah, I'm going to do this in my bread maker. If you're not using a bread maker, so simple to do. Just bring this watermelon juice up to a boil, then reduce it to a simmer and let it reduce. That's it. Now, be careful. If you aren't careful, it's going to boil over. Keep an eye on this. Honey. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of honey. It's up to you. It depends on how sweet your watermelon is. This one was pretty sweet. I was actually surprised at how sweet this was. Now in my bread maker, I have a jam setting. There we go. I'm going to run it through the jam setting the first time, see how thick it is. If it's not thick enough, I'm going to run it through a second time. That easy. But if you're doing this on the range top, remember, bring it up to a boil, then reduce it to a simmer and keep an eye on it. Simmer it, stir it, not constantly, but remember to check on it until it is thickened to the thickness that you like. Okay, my watermelon syrup is done. Now, I could have kept boiling this down a little bit more, and you feel free. Boil yours as long as you need to reduce it. Simmer it as long as you need to reduce it. Get it to a syrup consistency that you like. Let me give this a taste. It's actually really good. And that's even warm. I was thinking, oh, this is going to be bad warm. But even warm, I have that wonderful watermelon taste, watermelon with a hint of honey. It's sweet, it's good. And what could you do with this? Well, you could mix it in with your drinks. You could do lots of different things with this. Is it a lot of work? No, actually this part of it is not a lot of work. Making your watermelon syrup, then you just have to do what you normally do with a syrup. Just boil it down and it is simple. Now, can you add more honey to it? Oh yeah, you could add honey, you could add sugar, you could add whatever sort of sweetener you want it to, but it is up to you. You can make this as thick or as thin as you want. Once again, up to you. This is really good. If you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.